Hello, welcome back. I'm out here in the shop. I'm going to continue working on my old drill press. Last week I did a part working on this part. I just want to let you know how it turned out. I'm able to put it on the shaft. It kind of moved. I'm able to tighten it up and it doesn't move. I'm not too happy with the JB Weld. That it was kind of moving around jello. And then if you watched the video, you saw I used this steel stick by JB Weld. It was a filler. I was able to shape the part again, so you couldn't tell where they had chopped it all up and hacked it all out for the brazing. I really wasn't satisfied with that. It really felt, I couldn't tighten it up. It seemed like it was bending there. So what I did is I took a piece of fiberglass, rosin and hardener, and I laid that on there, and it seems to be just fine. I'm able to tighten it down. It doesn't move. I'm happy with that. I still have to clean it up a little bit. I'm probably gonna bead blast it, but that's not what we're gonna be working on this video. What I want to work on is the vise. Like I said last week, I wanted to do this and the vise. Never got to the vise. So let's get into that. I'm Glenn Nowakowski, and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. I already have this soaking for a while now. What I was going to do is let this soak. Using the same thing I used before is the odorless mineral spirits. Not too sure this is the best thing. It's the bottom that's really bad. I'm just going to put these on the side and let them soak in here for a day, overnight, I don't know. We'll see. Well, this thing has been sitting in here for a couple of days. I did come out last night and I was scraping it and a lot of the old paint come off. And I have some of these here little brushes that I have for my Dremel tool to try to get all that paint off of there. But what I really want to do is, I don't know if you can see that, all these holes in here. It's just chewed up so bad. So I need to get it real clean. And then, yes, I'm going to use the JB Weld steel stick. That part seemed to work for molding it and reshaping it, filling holes. I think this will be just fine. And then when I paint it, you won't even see that. Cleaning out those holes real good. I've been using starting fluid. That stuff just melts everything away. So I think it is time to try and fill those holes with that JB Weld steel stick. I think it'll be good enough to just fill the hole. like I said about the other part I did, it really doesn't matter. It's only going to be on display. Let's get into that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of cardboard and place it down here so that when I'm pushing everything in, I have a bottom to push through. Well, that's the plan anyway. If you see what I mean. If I just put that there, tape it on, I'll have a bottom to push all that putty to. So it's not just pushing out the other side. Okay, so far so good. I have 3 or 4 minutes, I guess, to knead this together to a uniform gray. And it seems as long as I'm kneading it, it stays kind of soft. But as soon as I stop, it starts heating up and it gets hard pretty fast. It starts getting real hard. You can't work with it after like 12 minutes. Hopefully that sticks. I have to do more for that hole. And I didn't build it up enough. That has to be built up a little bit more. I have that hole there. It's going to have to dry for an hour. So we'll let it dry and then we'll see what it looks like. It's been about an hour since I put this putty on. Been a little more than an hour. I just wanted to see if I need to put more. I think I will. You could probably mill that. Let's put that in a milling machine. Yeah, I think milling this might be a lot better. We'll see if I don't break something. No way is this Vise square, parallel, flat. We'll mix up just a little more of this. You know, I mentioned that this stuff is sort of like Bondo. The one thing is, Bondo don't cure this fast, I don't believe. I don't think you can work with it this soon. Within an hour, you're moving with this stuff. Okay. After I clean that up tomorrow, or I might come back out here later. I did a lot of the finishing on here and the painting and stuff off of camera. I did it late last night. As far as I'm concerned, I'm finished with filling the holes on this thing. I don't want to change it any more than I have to. I black primered it, flat black, enamel. I had to get rid of those holes. It was like Swiss cheese. I don't know if you remember at the beginning of the video. But I believe I'm going to call that a wrap as far as this Vise is concerned for now. And continue on with the rest of the drill press in other videos. So, until next time, enjoy.